In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Notion Web Clipper to Brave browser. If you've ever wanted a quick way to save articles, research, or bookmarks straight into your Notion workspace without breaking your flow, the Notion Web Clipper makes that effortless. We're going to walk through the process clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Brave is built on Chromium, which means it can use the same extensions you'd find for Chrome. That's why this process works smoothly and feels familiar if you've ever installed browser add-ons before. Look to the top right corner of Brave and click the three dots icon. This is your main browser menu, and it's where Brave keeps tools and settings you don't always need on screen. From this menu, choose Extensions, and then select the option to visit the web store. This opens the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. Don't worry if it says Chrome Web Store at the top. Brave supports these extensions just fine. Once the store loads, use the search bar to look for Notion Web Clipper. Typing the full name helps you find the official listing quickly. You should see an entry with the Notion logo and a clear description about saving pages to Notion. It's a good idea to glance at the publisher information and ratings to confirm you've got the legitimate tool. Click the Notion Web Clipper listing to open its details page. Here you can read a short overview of what it does, see screenshots, and review the permissions it needs. These permissions typically relate to reading the page you're on so it can send the content to your Notion workspace. When you're ready, click Add to Brave. A small confirmation may appear, giving you a final look at the requested permissions. Approve the prompt, and Brave will download and install the extension. This usually takes just a moment, and you'll see a brief notification confirming that the Notion Web Clipper has been added. That's it. You've successfully added the Notion Web Clipper to Brave. From now on, you'll be able to capture web pages and send them straight into Notion without copying and pasting. If something looks a little different in your menu or the store layout, it's often due to a minor browser update or regional variation. But the core process is the same. Open Brave, go to Extensions, visit the web store, search for Notion Web Clipper, open its page, and add it to Brave. You're all set to clip with confidence.